So we got Nomad Cosmetics, Chicago Speakeasy. And we're doing this 92-inch look. And of course, this is a review of the indie brand Nomad Cosmetics, the new destination release. And it's got delicious multichromes. So we're going to be doing swatches, quick 19-inch tutorial for your Halloween days. And there you go. So if you guys don't know me, I'm Elaina. I usually do makeup reviews, tutorials, face paint, drag looks. Just check out my channel later. I was on Painted with Raven Season 2, available on What Presents Plus right now. So in this video, we're gonna dive into the beautiful palette, and if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, like, comment, all this stuff, and let's get right into this. So first of all, thank you so much Nomad Cosmetics for keeping me on PR list. This is PR, this is gifted to me. I don't get paid for reviews, but they do send me the palette for free. And I don't have any affiliate links. I don't make any commissions. I don't have any codes for you, but I love the brand. That's why I'm still working with it. It's indie brand and the quality is like, oh, it's to die for. Blends beautifully. Everything is gorgeous about it. The multichromes, the multichromes they have been doing lately is like, oh, ever since they started with those multichromes, I'm like, I'm dying. It's so pretty. And so this is 15 shades. Of course, it's all about the speakeasy in the 1920s era, and that's why we got this look. And this is like a buy one, get one free. What am I saying? Kill two birds with one stone, that's what I'm trying to say. It's a review and it's a Halloween tutorial for 1920s flapper look. Anyway, yeah. So the 5 in the middle, that's the most delicious thing. And the matte is super blendable. This looks nearly black. It's not black, but it's nearly black. It looks very smoked. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you swatches next, and you're gonna see me apply this 20s look and see this delicious multichrome. So coming out tonight, if you're on the West Coast, the usual Nomad Cosmetics way. If you don't know Nomad Cosmetics, it's one person owned. Or is it like 2 people or something? And she's very personal with all the influencers, that's why I like indie brands. We always communicate. She's super sweet, and the whole theme of the brand, I always love the destinations. It's beautiful, and everything is so well put together, cohesive, and the outside of the palette always matches the theme. She does fabulous job with this. So coming out tonight on the West Coast at 9 p.m. on Monday night, and tomorrow 12:01 a.m. is pretty much like midnight. On Tuesday is Eastern time, so if you stay up late on the East Coast till midnight, you want to snatch it, you can snatch it. And this is 15 pen, like I said, for high multichromes, and this is not a limited edition, and it's $59. So it's cruelty free and all clean and everything, so it's pretty cool. So let's get into the swatches and the flapper look. So these are the swatches in the sunlight. I'm trying to show it in front of the window because it's so pretty, and you can really see the reflect the multichrome. Oh my, that's so beautiful. You can't really see in the palette as much. It's once you start applying on your arm and you see all the reflects and all the different variations of color you get. Oh, that's something incredible. Even in the shade you can see this. I can't wait to put this on my eyeballs. What do you think, Mimi? What do you think? You like the multichromes? Yeah, you like it? You want to try some? Silly girl. So we started with the clean canvas. If you don't know me, I have almost no eyebrows from laser tattoo removal and all that stuff. So I just shave the rest of them off, and I do usually eyebrow tattoos, but in this occasion, it's just a perfect bare canvas for 1920s thin eyebrows. So there you go. It's like the opposite of what I usually do, because usually I stretch myself and this is like, oh, but you know, that's the look. So we're gonna start with the smoky capone. We're gonna try to make it as authentic 1920s as possible. So we're just gonna smoke it out. I applied Peel Grease Base 0.5, 0.5. Oh, this is a very deep color, perfect. So we're just gonna smoke it out all over the eyelid. It's almost black, it's like a real dark brown. I like this. Of course, wish it was brown, but I mean black. But you can't have black every single time, right? So in 1920s, the eyeshadow kind of goes up, so kind of gives you that sad look. So we're gonna go up a little closer to the brow here and blend this out. I think I want to use purples because I love these purples here. So now I'm going to blend this with all the purples. I kind of used all of them just to see. This is very deep. It's nearly as deep as this one. So this is called Nomad and Speakeasy. And this is Blind Pig, okay? The Drifter and the Violet Tower, kind of like use the blend of them all. So I'm gonna go into Blind Pig first, and then I'm gonna blend it all out. So we're going close to the brow to create this kind of a sad surprise look. It's funny how different shapes are popular in different hairs. Like right now, this kind of shape would look funny. People would be like, why? This is so strange. But back then, I was like, oh, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go for the deep, deep Knock and Speakeasy. And just overlay over the brown. That's a beautiful, beautiful, deep, deep, deep purple shade. So we're going to smoke capone under the eye, because we're going for that very smoky 20s look. I love 20s makeup. Like 30s and 40s, the eyes became more simple, not as dramatic. But 1920s, it was all about smoky eye, like real extreme smoky eye. Like very extra, right up my nose. I applied some white in the waterline to create this downward looks and emphasize it. Now, the most satisfying part, I darkened my eyelid on purpose actually to kind of see what the multichrome looks like on the dark eyelid, because I saw the swatches in my arm, but usually like on a dark surface, it looks even more fabulous. So this is called Southside. And if you heard noise at my cat, he was behind me. She just jumped on the floor. So we're gonna do this green and purple and blue. I think it's like a multichrome. All of them are so beautiful. I'm just like losing my mind. I'm not sure which one to use first. Ah, look at that. It is so stunning. Oh my goodness. It looks more green when you apply it over the dark eyeshadow. But when you turn around, you can still see the purple. It goes on the brush just fine. My nails are a little too long to do the finger application. Oh, by the way, the gel-X nails, it's off the topic, but I learned how to do gel-X myself. I got the gelish kit, like what's $99, something like that. And the first time around, they all fell off next day. That's because I did not use the right shape, because like they were a little bit too sculpted and my nails are flat. But anyway, second time I did it, this is like 3 weeks plus and it's still going. I mean, it's crazy how good these are. But I can't do anything but on my eyelid. But my nails look fabulous, so I don't care. Ah. This is so beautiful. This multichrome is giving me life. So let's try the brow bone with the lighter shade Gin Ricky. So this one is a multichrome as well. I see the green, slightly purple, slightly gold. I see all kind of colors. Oh, this is so pretty. Not sure if they did the brow bone highlight in the 20s, but I wouldn't be surprised. I saw one tutorial, somebody did the brow bone highlight. I don't know how true it is to the era, but I'm going for it. Here's the finished look. 1920s Speakeasy. I tried to make it as authentic as possible, but using as much eyeshadow as possible, and I think we achieved. This is your next Halloween look. If you like to go out as 1920s flapper. This is actually a flapper dress I got on Amazon like a few years ago, but it's like not the best quality. It has fringe in the bottom and a fringe is coming out. And if you have cats, this is very dangerous because they can eat that. And I don't want to get into details, but yeah. I'm not wearing this dress. See, it's already coming out. It's coming out as we speak. I'm glad the cat is sleeping because as soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna cut it off all this fringe and throw it away. Maybe I'll keep the dress, but yeah. This is very dangerous for the fur babies, but anyway. The look came out pretty good. You know, the Murphy's Law, I just put the self-tanner yesterday, and 1920s is all about as pale base as possible. Let me zoom you out, it's too close. Anyway, so we want our faces as pale, you know, the pale complexion was the thing. And I used the foundation a little bit too light for my skin tone. And my body is still more tan, but we're not gonna look at that. Anyway, so we represented the flappers. I need black gloves. I have black gloves somewhere, but it's too much work, right, meow? Yes, I said right, meow. This is a cat lady speak. So let me know what you think, because the palette is amazing. It's just like this velvety finish is gorgeous. I mean, you know how much I love Nomad. I love my indie brands. Not all of them, but most of them really high quality, the ones, at least the ones I work with. Beautiful. All these multichromes are just delicious. Like, I can't wait to get into this one because it has a green, gold, and orange. It kind of looks orange when it looks straight on, but when it starts turning, you'll see all this, you know, reflects, and this, like, it's delicious. So I might wear this for Zumba tomorrow. Why not? It's gorgeous, yeah. I'm totally living for this. So let me know how you're picking this up. Leave me a comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And ring notification bell so you get notified of all the new videos I upload. So thank you all for watching. You can follow me on social media. Everything's down below. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye. Bye.